favorite part of cheerleading, the dance section. The first 2 8 counts are freestyle, so you can go ahead and clap it out or do whatever you'd like. The third 8 count, which we're going to start off with, you're going to go 5, 6, 7, down, 8. On 1, you're going to open out with your right leg. On 2, you're going to bring it down right across your body. On 3, you're going to cross. On 4, you're going to clap and lean to the side. And on 5, you're going to lean it up. Bring it back down on 6, looking at your hand. And 7, you're going to bring one hand on your head, the other one hand on your hip. And 8, you're going to clean it up. On 1, you're going to cross in front. Go ahead and hit back out on 2 to a low V. You're going to pump 3, circle 4, pump 5, look 6, pump 7, look 8, and clean it up on 1 to the side. Let's take that from the top, nice and slow. So we're holding 5, 6, 7, dip 8, out 1, down 2, cross 3, 4, up 5, down 6, look 7, clean 8. 1, hit 2, pump 3, circle 4, pump 5, look 6, 7, look 8, clean 1. All right, you just clean it up on 1. You're going to clap it and look on 2. Hit a low V on 3, bring it back and high V on 4. Right here, you're going to step back with your left leg, 5, together, 6, dagger 7, kick it on 8, clean it up on 1. From here, you're going to dip 2, 3, and you're bringing it back, and 4, you're going to punch it to the front, both hands on your knees. That's 4. On 5, you're going to bring it 5. Keisha's going to go ahead and turn around really quick and show you what her arms are doing. She hits it on 5. Okay, that's 5. Your head is leaning to the side. On 6, your head is to the side. Snap it 7, up 8. On 1, you're going to look and reach for 1. Bring it down 2. Pump 3, pump 4, switching your arms. For and 5, you're going to go and 5 together, 6, 7, roll 8. Let's take that slow from the top. 5, 6, 7, down 8, out 1, punch it 2, 3, 4, up 5, down 6, 7, 8, roll it 1, pump 2, 3, 4, pump 5, look 6, pump 7, look 8, clean it 1, clap 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, back 7, kick 8, 1, pump 2, pump 3, and 4, 5, head 6, 7, hit 8, go 1, 2, pump it 3, pump 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. All right, from here, we're going to move on. From here, you're going to step with your right leg. 1, hit 2, bring it down 3, slap your leg, and 4. You're going to step forward 5 in a low V, bring it front 6, shake it 7, and clean 8. On 1, you're going to kick with your right leg forward. 1 and 2. You're going to step with your right leg again, and 3, hit it 4. You're going to look into a low V. Pump 5, bring your arms behind your head, 6 and 7. Clean it up on 8. From here is the last 8 count. You're going to step out on 1. Bring it down on 2. Hit it out on 3. Bring it down 4. You're going to step with your right leg. Circle 5, 6, leg 7. You're going to hop out on 8 and hit out on 1, looking up at your hands. Let's take it one more time from the top, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, down 8, up 1, 2, 3, up 4, down 5, 6, look 7, 8, circle 1, 2, pump 3, 4, 5, look 6, 7, look 8, down 1, look 2, 3, and 4, step 5, 6, kick 7, and 8, 1, pump 2, pump 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, look 8, go 1, 2, pump 3, pump 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, 3, and 4, pump it 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, look 4, pump 5, 6, and 7, 8, go 1, go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down 7, open 8, look 1.